kids-approved goodness. This dish is an absolute crowd pleaser and super simple to make, giving busy parents a delicious meal and more time at the dinner table. First up, bring a large saucepan of water to the boil and add a teaspoon of salt. Cook until al dente, about 10 to 12 minutes. Halve the bell pepper and cut it into 2 centimeter chunks. Cutting your veggies to match the size of the chicken makes for the best bites. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in a large frying pan. Once hot, add the chicken, then go in with the chopped pepper. Fry for about 5 to 6 minutes. You want the chicken to brown and the peppers to soften. Add the finely chopped tomatoes. These ones have onion and garlic for extra tastiness, some mixed herbs, and to balance the tartness of the tomato, 1½ teaspoons of sugar. Then add chicken stock. Now just let this cook down super slowly. Bring the heat down to a simmer. Keep stirring until the sauce becomes nice and thick and the chicken is cooked. When the pasta is cooked, drain in a colander and return to the pan. Stir in the crème fraîche and season with salt and pepper. Give it a good stir so it's creamily combined, and then it's nearly time to bake. Transfer the chicken and sauce to an oven-proof dish. Sprinkle over the hard Italian-style cheese and bake on the top shelf of your oven until the cheesy layer is golden and a little bit crispy around the edges. Dish up. Get the kids and the whole family around the table and tuck in. This is a good one. They're going to love it.